Hello, today is May 12th, 2020. My name is Noel Booker. I'm with Business Credit Builder. And today we're going to talk about how to get funding for minorities in a recession. Okay? I'm going to tell you some information that might be able to help you, might not be able to help you, all right? But we're here to help. So let's see, I'm going to go straight to my sharing the screen so you can see my presentation and what we have here. Oops. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, my name is Noel Booker. My company is businesscreditbuilder.us. And we're going to talk about get minority loans to start a business even in a recession. Notice the buttons at the bottom where you can get a free business credit consultation at businesscreditbuilder.us/consult. You can also get a free guide on how to build business credit by going to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. And you can also find out if you can get approved for funding now by going to businesscreditbuilder.us/get funding. So here goes my contact information. And what we do at Business Credit Builder is we help entrepreneurs such as yourself build business credit and access high limit credit lines, loans, and funding, equipment loans, all type of funding, okay? That's what we do. Okay, so things are changing right now, right? The changing business landscape as the COVID-19 situation continues to transform our economy. Startup businesses still need money, right? Okay, and this is a good time to start a business or prepare your business to get funding. Entrepreneurial dreams are for all. The one thing every business has in common is the need for money. The business owners who are members of a protected class, there are several options for funding. These are not specifically programs for female entrepreneurs, okay? But a woman business owner who is also a member of a minority could potentially qualify for more than one type of funding. Okay, here goes some challenges for minority entrepreneurs. Per Forbes, there are several major challenges faced by minority business owners in getting business funding. They have a lower net worth. In general, the level of wealth for Latinx and African Americans is 11 to 16 times less than Caucasians. White business owners typically have more working capital when they start their business. The lack of collateral. For the most part, businesses are not likely to approve loans to applicants with less collateral to use against a loan. Lower net worth means less home ownership and fewer high value assets to sell in case of loan default. This combination of less security and net worth means banks will likely issue smaller loans that must be paid back quicker. This slows long-term growth. We also have poor locations, it seems like. Businesses owned by minorities in locations that have not traditionally supported new business are less likely to get financing. And that's done by, the zip codes, right? Little or no credit history. Credit is a huge factor for banks when considering loan applications. Since minority business owners tend to have lower credit scores, it is harder to get and the best rates and terms. This information comes from Forbes Finance Council. Okay, here goes a good situation here. Union Bank, loans for all minorities. Try diversity lending solutions from Union Bank. They are one of the only a few banks in the country to have a special purpose credit program under the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Their business diversity lending program is meant to empower women, minorities, and veteran-owned businesses. They offer unsecured, secured lines of credit, real estate financing. This bank's products are meant for small business owners who meet the bank's designation of minority and are looking for a loan up to $2.5 million. The bank's designation of minority matches the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. You must be a citizen. Your business cannot have annual sales of over 20 million. So this is definitely for smaller businesses. Get a fixed rate, unsecured or secured term loan with repayment terms of up to 7 years and equipment secured loans, okay? 7 years, that's pretty good, right? That's like in the middle. Like SBA loans, they go out for 7 years. I mean, they go out to 30 years, 20 years, something like that. Other loans are mature quicker. So this one has a medium range, 7 years. Or get a loan up to 25 years for owner-occupied commercial real estate financing. I haven't seen this at other banks, okay? Owner-occupied, okay? Where you can buy where you're living and get good financing for that. You can do that at Union Bank. Or get a variable fixed unsecured or secured line of credit subject to annual renewal. You can also get certification through them. Like the SBA does the 8A class. Once you get certified with them, you are steered toward getting government contracts. And you can do the same thing with Union Bank. They offer certification. So they have a certification as a woman business enterprise, a veteran business enterprise, or a minority business enterprise. And these may lead to government or large corporation contracts. If your company is privately held and at least 51% owned by a woman, a veteran, and or a minority who is a U.S. citizen or a legal resident, you can apply for the WBE and or the MBE certifications. And this is how you find out more about this and apply. unionbank.com/business/lending/diversity-lending. Okay. Okay, rural business development grants. These are grants, which you don't have to pay back. Okay? This is grants you don't have to pay back. This is available to small businesses. This program offers technical assistance and training and funding for small rural businesses. Federally recognized tribes are eligible for this. Smaller requests will receive higher priority. You can find information, and this is a good one, okay? I want to let you know this is a good one. rd.usda.gov/programs-services/rural-business-development dash grants. All right, this is a good one. Okay, there's also the NIH, Small Business Innovation Research, the SBIR. This is a government initiative. It's related to the small business technology transfer. The goal of these programs is to encourage innovation and entrepreneurship to the socially and economically disadvantaged and women-owned small businesses. There are 11 eligible government agencies that must set aside funds in their budgets for this, okay? So there are government agencies, departments that must put this money in their budgets. So domestic businesses can engage in R&D with a strong potential for technological commercialization. Okay, the Agriculture Department, the Commerce Department's National Institute of Standards and Technology, the Defense Department, Education Department, Energy Department, Department of Health and Human Services, Homeland Security, Transportation Department, Environmental Protection Agency, NASA, and the National Science Foundation. All of these departments have money set aside for technological advancements for small businesses. Just so you know. Here goes another good one, all right? Axion, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, Axion, what I'm gonna say AC, has a micro lending program meant to target low to moderate income business owners who are having a hard time accessing capital via traditional channels. AC will work with you to make sure your small business financial needs are met during the coronavirus crisis. Member organizations offer small business loans from $300 to $1 million. Funding is for pre-existing businesses and startups. Okay? Uses for the money: buying inventory, buying or leasing equipment, professional expenses, hiring employees, financing any expenses involved with being an entrepreneur. That includes business credit. Okay. Funds are available for members of minorities, veterans, women, the disabled, and low to medium income business owners. To qualify for the AC loans, you must be no more than 30 days late on any bills, credit cards, and other payments. If you are late, the total late balance must be under $3,000. Not have any mortgage rate adjustments due during the term of the loan. That means your adjustable rate mortgage during the term of the loan cannot be adjusted during that time. Not have declared bankruptcy in the past 12 months. Not have had any late rent or mortgage payments in the last 12 months. Not have gone through foreclosure in the last 24 months. Startups have less than $3,000 in past due debt. Startups must present 2 most recent pay stubs. Startups have a business plan with a 12-month cash flow projection. Startups must have partner referral like SCORE or the Hope Foundation, organization, Operation Hope, okay? Here goes the website, and you can take a snapshot, a screenshot of these addresses that I provide. So this one is us.acci.org/resources-for-small-businesses-impacted-by-the coronavirus COVID-19 shutdown. All right. So that's good information right there. Axion. All right. Camino financial loans for Latinx entrepreneurs. Okay. Camino Financial specializes in loaning to Latinx-owned businesses. They provide loans up to $400,000. Camino also offers discounted products and services. Get an instant quote and funding within 24 hours. And there goes the website, CaminoFinancial.com. That's a good one, all right? Actually, all the stuff I'm giving you is some good stuff, all right? Somebody can use this information, all right? Business Center for New Americans for Immigrant Funding. This is for people in New York City. If you're in New York City, all right? The Business Center for New Americans offers business loans from $75,000 to $250,000, specifically for immigrants, refugees, and women entrepreneurs. The organization's funding provides a path to self-sufficiency for immigrants and refugees. Funding is only for small businesses in Queens and Staten Island, and for specifically immigrant, refugee, and women-owned businesses in Brooklyn, the Bronx, and Manhattan. Okay? New Yorkers, get on it. All right, there goes the website, nybcna.org. All right? Okay, this program is designated to meet the financing needs of small businesses in underserved markets. The SBA Community Advantage Loans, okay? It is designed to service small business owners who might not qualify for traditional financing. This program encourages local mission-based lenders like nonprofit organizations to make loans of up to $250,000. The SBA guarantees up to 85% of the loan. The interest is prime plus 6%. It's a good option for minority entrepreneurs who need a large amount of capital. And here goes the website, sba.gov/funding-programs/loans. Okay, SBA bailout funding under the CARES Act. The CARES Act can work if a business can prove it has suffered as a result of COVID-19. Economic disaster injury loan, they call it the EDIL, and the PPP, the payroll protection plan. Okay, this is something I actually work with, okay? We have a disaster relief consulting program, and its goal is to provide assistance in the completion of applications and preparation of documents to secure your SBA, EDIL, and PPP. You can go to businesscreditbuilder.us and click the coronavirus icon. Okay. Recap. Circumstances may be difficult right now, but funding for members of minorities to start business is still out there. There's still a whole bunch of funding out there, especially for businesses. Find grants and loans and apply under the CARES Act if your business has employees on payroll or if you are an independent contractor. Okay, easily and quickly get financing. Now, with my company, you can easily and quickly get financing, okay? You get access to every legitimate funding program in one place, businesscreditbuilder.us. Use our loan volume to get lower rates and fees. We have arrangements with hundreds of legitimate lenders, okay? With us, you will never have to look for funding again. businesscreditbuilder.us/get funding and find out if you qualify today. We also offer what we call the credit line hybrid, okay? The credit line hybrid. You get as much as $150,000 in working capital credit lines. This is good for startups, okay? Startups can do this. There's no docs required, no tax returns, no bank statements. There's zero interest for up to 18 months. You need a FICO score of 685 or better. Or you can have a guarantor. It doesn't have to be you. If you got a family member or a friend that believes in you, this is how you can get access to this money. Okay, here goes other financing options that we offer. We have collateral and asset-based type of financing. You have, and this is for if you have commercial vehicles, commercial real estate, equipment, inventory, stocks, bonds, 401ks, all this type of assets that you have, you can get a business loan on it, okay? If you have a government contract, that's like straight money, all right? You can get a loan on if you have a government contract. Just talk to me, all right? E-commerce seller. If you sell on Amazon, you are able to get funding to buy the inventory to sell. That's a new program right there, okay? That's a new program. That gives you the money to buy the inventory so you can sell, okay? We have peer-to-peer lending. Private individuals investing in privately owned businesses like Lending Club, Prosper, Street Shares, Funding Circle. We also have equipment financing and leasing, okay? Real estate programs. Like we have a program that's just for house flippers. We have other real estate programs, like if you have equity in your home, you can get access to funding for your business, okay? And don't forget business credit. So if you have none of that stuff I've mentioned already, if you don't have credit, you don't have collateral, and you don't have cash, then you start by building up your business credit, all right? So you can build your vendor accounts and easy cash flow, and ease cash flow. That's a typo, all right? So you can ease cash flow with vendor accounts, and at the same time, build up your company's fundability, building up your business credit, okay? Retail, you can get retail credit like Amazon, Home Depot, gas fleet cars, and repairs, Costco, Dell, Office Depot. There's a whole bunch of them, all right? With business credit, you can get accounts with these type of companies to fund your business. And you can also access Visa, MasterCard, Amex, business cards that is like cash on a card, all right? You can get auto financing, buy trucks for your business, loans and credit lines, okay? We work with over 1,000 funding sources. What our team does is we look at your situation. We find the best source. We connect you directly with the sources, and they help you get the funding, okay? Oops. We make it easy as someone you know and trust to help you get to the place that you can get to the best financing options, okay? That's what we do. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I need to build up, help me out a little bit. Do this stuff and it helps me out, build up, and I can share this information to more and more people, all right? So if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe. If you're on Facebook, like my page, all that stuff. Comment and, make some comments if you like what the information. If the information was useful, was it useful to you? All right, go do your research on it. All right. Okay, so comment, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Share it. And if you want to schedule a time to talk to me about building your business credit, or getting access to any of these funding sources, you can schedule a free business credit consultation at businesscreditbuilder.us/consult. I also have all these social media outlets that have very good information, so make sure you check that out. And here goes my information. Feel free to call me, email me, schedule a consult, all right? And that's gonna end it for today. So I thank everybody for coming out. My name is Noel Booker. One thing I want to tell everybody is that we do weekly business credit webinars. So you can find that out by going to the website, businesscreditbuilder.us. There's a button for the events. Don't forget to get your free guide on how to build business credit. And we'll see you next time. I'm going to be doing more YouTube and Facebook videos. So y'all look forward to all that stuff. And y'all have a good day. Thank y'all.